Alfred John Patrick Henry Alexander III. I don't even need to introduce myself. You should know who I am. Being the king of the world hasn't always been easy, but I couldn't think of anyone else who could do it better than myself. I create my own rules. I do what I want, when I want. Yeah, occasionally I'll take my servants on walks in the woods. The joke's on them, though. I kinda enjoy doing it for them. Sometimes my subordinates try to hide from me, but I always find them with my supersonic sense of smell. Look at those squirrels over there. I bet they think they're so cool. I could climb a tree better than they could. Idiots. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am brave, handsome, wonderful, kind, caring, and loved by all, and incredibly humble. Being king has its perks, but it can also really suck. Why does my human watch other humans trapped in a box? I have to protect my kingdom from invasion. I am a skilled warrior. At the end of the day, I love my servants a lot, and they love me. Yeah, so it isn't easy being Alfred John Patrick Henry Alexander III, but it sure is worth it.